Make the life that you live a life that you love, because life is short. Hi friends of the twins, welcome back to the channel. This is Rhonda, and today I'm sharing with you my first spring tablescape. Now you'll see here that I'm using this tree form, and I'm going to leave a link to it in the description box below. You can find these at eFavorMart, and last I checked they were about $28 a piece. So all I'm doing is just setting these flower stems on the branches, and once I've gotten it out as full as I want to get it, I'm going to take some larger flowers, which will be the hydrangeas, and I'm going to pluck those in there, and that will be more so just to how to hide the flower stems. Now, like I always say, I'm not a florist or anything like that, but y'all, I do love playing around with flowers. So this is something that kind of just popped into my head, and I just said I was going to go for it and see how it turned out. Now for today's tablescape, I'm going to be using these 4 cute little bunny plates, and I wanted to show you that each one of them at each setting has a different expression, and aren't they just the cutest? I'm going to link these down in the description box for you also. I got these from Zulily. My daughter has been fussing at me. She says that I am way behind on having my spring decorations out, and it just seems like I just don't have enough time in the day to get everything done. But now if you haven't seen my kitchen island and how I have it decorated for spring, I'm going to link that video down in the description box also. And here is my first tablescape of the spring season. I hope you like what I've done. It is somewhat simple, yet a little bit elegant, mixed with a little bit of whimsy. Now, I did want to tell you that my decorative candles, such as the ones you're seeing here, I don't like those, because those are sometimes hard to come by, and so I'm just trying to preserve them for as long as I can. Now, if you do indeed enjoy the contents of this video and you are not subscribed to our channel, then Shonda and I, we want to encourage you to hit the subscribe button and become a friend of the twins. We would love to have you. And I'm gonna stop talking. I hope you'll enjoy the rest of the video, and thanks so much for watching.